in food street of Lahore and we are going to have our breakfast here. So let's go inside and check out the breakfast menu. Okay guys, as you can see, we are in food street of Lahore and behind me it's the Haveli restaurant. And then when you enter, there are a couple of restaurants there and some of the places they're closed. Maybe that one. Okay, so we are going to go inside Shahi Bawarchi Khana, and it actually looks nice. So we're going to have some desi breakfast. Okay, so let's go. अच्छा क्या करना है वो वहाँ पे So he's making naan and paratha and he's very quick.
Hello, Anju. Huh? How?
एक मैं कर सकती हूँ
कर लें
भाई देखो बाहर खड़े हो बागाना
कर लो Okay, I'm gonna make some, try some, how to make paratha. Naan paratha? Naan? Paratha. Okay. Sahi ho raha hai? Sahi? Professional? Itna size? इससे बड़ा या इतना?
ठीक है नहीं ये नहीं लगाना इसको
Okay.
इसके वैसे ही करना चलें लगा लें आप
Okay. Making some kulcha, naan. Thank you. Shukriya. Let's see how it comes out, the naan. We are going to try some naan and paratha.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद सलीम है और हमारे ये नया रेस्टोरेंट हमने ओपन किया है ये
रेस्टोरेंट नाम क्या है
शाही बावर्ची
क्या करते हैं
हाँ मैन शेफ हेड शेफ हूँ यहाँ से
अभी आप क्या बना रहे हैं
अभी हम ये पाया बना रहे हैं मटन पाया बना रहे हैं हम ये वाला हम मटन पाया बना रहे हैं इस टाइम
इसमें क्या क्या डलता है
इसमें रेड मिर्चे और वाइट पेपर है ब्लैक पेपर है इसमें और मटन पाया है इसमें
Okay, so this is chane, chickpea. Can you see? Chickpea, and this is halwa. Halwa looks yummy, delicious.
बना रहे हैं इनके साथ
चलो अब हम ऑमलेट भी we are going to make omelette as well. चलो ठीक and this one. So this is aloo, potatoes. So it's a full halwa puri breakfast and it looks delicious. He has given me permission that I can make omelette and make some puri. Mohammad Salim, he's been very kind and he let me make some puris and let me cook some of the dishes. This is really good. He's very professional. Zabardast. You can see how puffed it is. I'm going to try to make puri. So let's see. Sahi ho raha hai?
हाँ जी हाँ जी
Sahi? सही हो रहा है? बन गई?
हाँ ऐसे गोल करके लंबी कर रहे हैं इससे
साजी तो सुनो क्या कमाल सुन रही है
ये ऐसे ऐसे बोल के ना गोल करें इसको गोल करें
अच्छा
ये
गोल।
देखें Zabardast, good.
So he
bunny,
said
good
that
bunny.
I was good at it. Perfect.
Perfect
Okay.
bunny.
Good. So they're making the thali here with halwa, puri, chane, achar.
बना लें आप। उनको सर्व कराएं बेटों।
There you go.
हल्की आंच करें दिखा दो
तो आप मुझे अब हायर करेंगे यहाँ पे? मुझे यहाँ पे आप जॉब देंगे?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल
ठीक है आपके साथ।
ठीक हो गया इधर आ जाओ। वो चम्मच किधर है वो लेके साफ करो आज बनाओ
Omelette is ready. Okay, my breakfast is here. So puri, it looks really good, and chane, potato curry, and some pickles. And it is made of milk and yogurt, and it looks really good. I think. Oh, it's so good, so rich, really good. So good. So Ali's breakfast is here too. He ordered chana with egg and naan paratha that I was making.
I got my coffee or tea.
Is it coffee or tea?
I think it's tea. I got a
I'm
brown
gonna try
sugar.
this with achar and
This is my tandoori paratha.
Can I try some?
Do you want to try it?
Tandoori paratha with chana. Very good.
The chana is really good. I like it. Tastes well.